Looking to take your drilling game to the next level? The new line of Grizzly industrial drill presses are here to make that happen. Let's talk specs. The T33901 and T33902 drill presses both feature a 14-inch swing and a sturdy table measuring 11 1/4 by 11 1/4 inches. The T33901, a 14-inch benchtop drill press, stands at 39 inches tall, while its big brother, the T33902 floor drill press, stands at 64.5 inches tall, which are perfectly sized for any shop. Both models, the T33901 and T33902, are powered by a 3/4 horsepower motor, driving the spindle through 12 speeds ranging from 340 to 2,860 RPM and through 5/8 inch mild steel. Next up, the T33903 floor drill press. With a 17-inch swing, a height of 68 inches, and a slightly more compact table of 11 1/8 by 11 1/8 inches. This machine is driven by a powerful 1 1/4 horsepower motor. It tackles 12 speeds from 210 to 3,020 RPM and makes light work of 1-inch mild steel. But if you're eyeing something bigger, meet the Grizzly Industrial T339 420-inch floor drill press. Standing tall at 67.5 inches, with a table of 18.5 by 16 and 5/16 inches, and powered by a 1 1/4 horsepower motor. This machine offers a 20-inch swing, allowing you to take on larger projects with ease. Whether you are countersinking, reaming, or tackling other drilling tasks, these drill presses are a must-have for your shop. These machines have an adjustable table with its smooth rack and pinion motion, ensures precision with every cut, and the built-in LED light and laser line guides provide the visibility and accuracy you need to avoid mistakes and wasted materials. And with a push-button spindle depth stop, adjusting for repeatable drilling is easy. Perfect for beginners and seasoned hobbyists alike, these Grizzly industrial drill presses are tough, dependable, and built to last. Ready to upgrade your shop? Visit grizzly.com to learn more and get yours today.